This is a quick video to show you how to manually operate your B&D rolling garage door when your opener isn't working or your home is experiencing a power outage. Pull the manual release cord down until you hear or feel a click. Your door is now released from the opener. Manually lift the door, taking extra care if the door is open or ajar. To manually secure the door, carefully close the garage door. Once the door is closed, re-engage the opener by pulling the manual release cord away from the door until you hear or feel it click. The garage door opener is now re-engaged. Use your remote, wall button or smartphone to test and make sure it lifts and lowers correctly. If you have completed all of these steps and your garage door is still not operating correctly, your door may require a professional service. Please call 1362 63 or visit bnd.com.au.